Alright, let me ask you something. Have you ever dreamed of publishing your own audiobook on Amazon, or uploading a professional multi-speaker audiobook to YouTube, but got stuck because of expensive subscriptions, limited credits, or complicated software? Well, today I'm going to show you how to break free from all of that. With FusionVoice, you can create unlimited audiobooks with multiple speakers, right on your own PC, completely offline, no subscriptions, no per-character billing, just pure freedom to create, publish, and profit. Here's the truth. Most audiobook creators are trapped by platforms that charge monthly fees or limit how much audio you can generate. You want to create a long-form audiobook, but suddenly you're paying extra for every chapter, every voice, every regeneration. And if you stop paying, your voices vanish. That's not sustainable for authors, publishers, or content creators who want to build a real business around audiobooks. FusionVoice changes everything. It's a desktop AI voice studio that runs locally on Windows or Mac. You pay once and you own it forever. No subscriptions, no credits, no hidden fees. Here's what makes it perfect for audiobook creators. 4 free local engines built in. Generate voices offline without internet or limits. Bring your own key integration. Plug in 11 Labs, OpenAI, or Gemini when you want premium polish. Unlimited cloning. Capture voices from seconds of audio, whether it's your own, a file, or even a clip from YouTube or TikTok. Voice Lab. Design unique voices by simply describing them, giving you characters that don't exist anywhere else. And because everything runs locally, your voices, your scripts, and your projects stay private and secure. Picture this. You've written a novel or a non-fiction book. You import the manuscript into FusionVoice's studio tool. Instantly, the AI detects all the speakers, the narrator, and even assigns voices automatically. Want a calm narrator? Done. Want a mysterious villain? Easy. Need multiple characters for dialogue? FusionVoice handles it. You can mix engines per character. A free local narrator, a premium cloud villain, and even a clone of your own voice, all in the same audiobook project. And because it's unlimited, you can regenerate chapters as many times as you want without worrying about credits or fees. Now let's talk about publishing. With FusionVoice, you can export your audiobook in high-quality audio formats ready for Amazon's ACX platform. That means you can sell your audiobook on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes, keeping full control of your royalties. Or maybe you want to build an audience on YouTube. FusionVoice lets you create multi-speaker audiobooks with background music and sound effects from over 1.5 million built-in files. Imagine uploading a polished audiobook series to YouTube, complete with immersive voices and cinematic soundscapes, all created offline, all owned by you. FusionVoice isn't just about voices. It's an all-in-one studio. Translate your audiobook into 600+ languages. Generate long-form audiobooks with chapters automatically. Add sound effects and background music for a professional finish. Store everything locally, ensuring privacy and ownership. For authors, publishers, and creators, this means you can produce audiobooks faster, cheaper, and with more creative freedom than ever before. Right now, FusionVoice is available at a fraction of its final price. You'll also get a full commercial license to sell audiobook services to clients, an outsource license for up to 10 installs for your team, several bonuses worth hundreds of dollars. And it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not for you, you get a full refund, no questions asked. So if you've been dreaming of publishing audiobooks on Amazon, building an audiobook channel on YouTube, or simply creating multi-speaker audio projects without limits, FusionVoice is the answer. Click the link below, grab your copy today, and start creating audiobooks that you own, with voices that are truly yours. Alright, that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you inside FusionVoice.